What's going on, guys? Casey here, and today I'm going to be helping you guys set up GitHub for your computer so that you guys can start committing your code to your own GitHub account. I'm going to be starting from the beginning, creating a new account, and then getting all the things set up so I can start pushing code. All right, sweet. So once you get to github.com, we're going to go in here and your email at gmail.com. And then it's going to ask for a password, and then you're going to click continue after that. I'm not going to put my credentials here just so you guys can't steal it, but I will see you after I click the continue button. All right, sweet. So we got my account created, went through all those steps. GitHub is free, which is really cool for people just getting started. You can post things up here, private repos, public repos, get your new project shown for your resume or whatever you guys want to do. But now that we're on here, we're going to head over to our account, go to settings, and then we're going to go down to SSH and GPG keys, and we're going to go to their guide for generating an SSH key. We're going to go there. We're going to go to generating a new SSH key and adding it to the SSH agent. Reading through this stuff is a good idea. So step one is to open up terminal. So command space, open up our terminal. And then once you're in there, we're going to copy this guy, and then you're going to place your email there. So go back over here, paste that in, and then you're going to put in your email, which mine is like so. So here you can pick the place to put your SSH keys. I'm just going to click enter and pick the default place, and then now you need to create a password for that key, and then do that again. Enter. All right, so once you've done that, you have your SSH key created. You're gonna have to type in this command. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. Pub copy, and then SSH, and then once you have that, click tab, and it will auto-complete out what you need. That's gonna copy it to your clipboard. So then you go back into GitHub, go to your profile, and you can paste your SSH key, and then your title. I normally do this for whatever computer I've created it for. So MacBook, it doesn't really matter for me. And then you can click add SSH key there. So now that we've added the SSH key, just for funsies, we're gonna go to over here. We're gonna click new repository. We'll do a private one just for the sake of it, and we're going to add a README file. This is going to be test1. This is my test, and we'll delete it here in a second. We're going to create the repository, and then we're going to come over here and go to code, and we're going to go to SSH tab, copy that guy, come over to the terminal. Make a directory. Go into the test file, and then type in git clone, and then paste that guy in there. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes. And then you're going to have to type in that password that you created earlier, like so. And then if we open up the folder, we've pulled down the repository in GitHub. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, please make sure and hit that sub button. If you guys have questions, again, drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.